So without further ado, getting right back into it. So the math behind it. So the question was, how can how can the price go up even if people are selling? And also the second question that someone else had asked is, a frequent asked question is like, why is the total supply keep going up? How could, how is this going to keep going up if the total supply is going up? Now, the total supply does not reflect, you know, whether or not if the price is going to go up or down. And once I give you the math behind it in the illustration, you're going to see that the total supply is just a part of the equation of why it's actually going up. So with the contract, so let's say, this is just hypothetical numbers. So with the contract, say the contract holds 10 BNB, 100 tokens that were minted. So this is how the price is calculated. So 10 BNB divided by 100 tokens that was minted, that gives us 0.10 BNB as the price. So then let's say an investor come in, James, come in and he uses 10 BNB to try to purchase Surge token. So instead of him getting the full 100 token, he's only going to get 94 token because of the 6% tax fee. So now the current contract, it only holds 20 BNB, 194 minted coins, because the 94 minted coins come after James purchased his. So the current total supply would be 194 tokens. So the math is 20 BNB divided by 194 gives you 0.1030927835 BNB. So the price just went up based upon a buy transaction. Now, on the flip side, for a sell transaction, so let's say Jane decided, she didn't receive her Lambo. She's furious. This thing is not moving fast enough for her. She's not rich, in the last 5 days. So she decides she wants to sell. She's like, forget it. I'm selling. So she sells 50 tokens at the current price. So the current price is 0.10, this long number right here. So at that current price, it's 50 times that long number, 0.1030927835. So that equals out to 5.154639175 BNB. But due to the 6% tax, the amount that she could only get is 4.84, and the rest of that number of BNB. So the tax limited her how much she is able to get. So now, simple math. So now we're going to subtract the amount of BNB that's in the contract minus the amount that Jane received. So it's 20 minus that long number equals this other long number. So that's how much now is currently in the contract for BNB. Now, as far as for tokens, it's only 144 tokens. So once she sells her 50 token, those tokens automatically get destroyed. It's not burned, it's just get destroyed. So it get destroyed, it's out of the circulating supply, which brings us to 144 tokens. So now with that same math formula, 15.154639175 divided by 144 gives us the current price of 0.10524 and the rest of that long number. So as you could see, each transaction, whether it's a buy, sell, or even a transfer, is going to cause the price to increase. So circulating supply, as far as how much is being minted, is just a part of the equation, And the last thing that I want to point out to you guys, remember, Surge token is pegged to BNB, not the US dollar. So just thought I made this video for you guys. If you have any other questions in regard to this formula, please leave a comment below. I'd definitely love to hear from you guys. And one more thing before I let you guys go. Now it's actually official. We do have our very first NFT. So very first NFT for Surge Token is right here. So I'm gonna leave this link in the description as well. Definitely share. You know, guys don't even have to buy it. Just if you guys could just put a heart by it on Rarible, that would be awesome. Yeah. So this is Random Art signing off. Peace.